Welcome back to ILTA TV. I'm Michael Foster here with Greg from Opus 2. Greg, how are you?
Great.
I'm glad to hear it. What do you think of the conference so far?
So far, it's been great.
Good. All right, so tell us a little bit about Opus 2.
Sure. We're a global company. We focus in specifically on the dispute space for attorneys internationally, with a big presence here in the U.S. A lot of what we do is specific to case management, specifically around managing transcripts, chronologies, things like that around the case, and it's basically where the cases exist. We effectively try to empower attorneys so that they can effectively serve their clients better. That's really what we're trying to do.
What distinguishes Opus 2 in such a competitive market?
Well, first of all, we're very focused on what we do. It's the old do what you do really well, and we focus in on that specific space. The other thing that distinguishes us is we're currently in about 88 of the AmLaw 100 using us for their case management, and all of the top 50 law firms internationally use us to run their case management function. So we have a big presence. We've got over 1,000 real-time matters heard in courts, et cetera. So we've been present in the market for, I don't know, about 15 years now, so quite a while, and done a lot. So we have this real-time experience that applies to really what attorneys need, what their teams need, what all the folks that get involved in cases.
Over 1,000 real time, that's incredible.
Yeah.
Where do you see Opus 2 growing and evolving over the coming years?
So we're going to continue to expand within our focused areas. So within dispute, it's really around dispute for both litigation and arbitration. And what we'll do is we'll continue to expand into new areas within that market and within that space. But we're working with our clients, some of the best and largest law firms in the world, to think about new use cases, things like expanding into other uses of the product and the tool. It's a product that exists as a platform, so it has an extensible and certainly a relevant use case within case management, but it can do a lot of other things as well. So we're working with clients to expand it, do other things internationally. We're going to continue to expand our AI offering. So today we offer AI solutions specific to case management, and we're expanding on those capabilities. So when you get into things around Gen AI, people talk about the future of and what it's going to be. We can do it today within the case management area, and we can do it explicitly around things like transcripts and depositions and things like chronology. So we're basically applying some of that. So in the future, we'll expand that use, expand that capability to do more and more with our customers.
We were talking a little bit before filming, and you mentioned AI labs. Can you expand on that?
Sure, yeah. So our labs environment is for key customers that want to contribute and help us to grow where we're going to take AI. We have it currently available, but they're expanding on it. When you think about things like data visualization in the future, other things we're going to be able to do within the AI solutions, within Gen AI specifically. And so some of the things that we're doing, as an example, is the automation of chronology. Or a simple example is if you're in a deposition and someone perjures themselves in the midst of that deposition, be able to have AI automatically be looking through all the documents to determine that that occurred, and be able to automatically say, oh, hold on, this just occurred in real time. So it's those kinds of things that we're bringing forward on the AI side. So we're taking input from customers, again, those largest law firms, and what we're doing is we're basically bringing that out into the market where it applies to use within case management. So it's not AI for the sake of what else could we do in AI, it's within that framework of case management.
Incredible. You're actually able to track in real time if somebody perjures themselves.
That's exactly what we're looking at, doing it in real time as you go. That's
Brave
right.
new world, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
What do you see as the role of legal tech and by extension Opus 2 in the next 5 years, like on the industry?
Yeah, so generally I would say we are helping to both innovate, legal tech in general's innovating in this market. There's a lot of opportunity for innovation, a lot of opportunity to do new things and create basically better and higher value for law firms' clients. That's really what we're trying to do. So empower them to create more value for their clients at the end of the day. We're also allowing for what I would call more of the democratization of legal in general. So the ability to give access to more people, get better outcomes ultimately for the firms based on what's out in the market and what's available. So there's a lot that we're doing today that's helping to propel the market, but the innovative part, I think, is the key, driving new solutions, driving into new areas that maybe somebody hasn't thought about yet or something that they haven't considered yet.
Excellent. Where can folks find you?
So you can go to our website. It's opus2.com. Pretty easy.
Easy enough.
OPUS, the number 2.com. That's easy enough. You can view us on LinkedIn, same, Opus2. We're an international company, as I mentioned, so you can go in and see us through all different, we have sites for our European locations, our Asian locations, our locations here in the US. So you can go online, you can see us and get a specific sort of journey based on where you're located and what you'd be looking for.
Even better.
Yep.
Make sure to check out Opus 2. Greg, thank you.
Thank you.